Changzhou Ankang Medical Instruments Company Limited is specialized in researching, manufacturing, and selling abdominal equipment, anorectal urology surgery equipment, medical suture materials, and adhesives. We mainly produce CAK disposable surgical staplers and auxiliary equipment. At the same time, we are expanding the domestic market positively as well as the international market. We establish and implement the quality management system according to the standard of GB T19001, ISO 13485, and 2007 47 EC. In the meantime, the company's quality management system had already got the ISO 13485 certification. Otherwise, the products in our company have got the CE certification. Welcome to visit us.